Hi, I'm Ali Kelly and I'm the CEO and founder of MindBlank. MindBlank's a mental health promotion charity aiming to reduce the risk of suicide through interactive workshops in schools, workplaces and the community. Now, I'm here today to talk to you about our Mental Health in the Workplace program. We help businesses paint pictures as to what mental health looks like in a workplace setting, so then we can guide staff with support in knowing what to do in a time of need. Outcomes from your team will include knowing how to support remote workers, knowing the value of self-care, and equipping them with skills in knowing where to seek help and identifying signs and symptoms and psychological hazards within the workplace. Inquire within for more information because mental health is a work health and safety risk. Make sure you know what to do to help support your team.